Your title and meta description are the preview an engine reads before it decides whether to quote you. Written for 2015 SEO, they are keyword stuffed and vague. Written for AI, they're a clear, specific claim about exactly what the page answers. The AI Metadata Generator rewrites both, for one page or your entire site, in a single pass. It doesn't just count characters, it writes titles that lead with the concrete thing the page is about, a named entity, a number, an outcome, because vague titles get deprioritized by AI retrieval, and descriptions that state the answer the page gives, so the preview itself reads like a citation worth taking. Run it on a single post from the editor, or select dozens from your post list and generate for all of them at once. The bulk run streams the work with progress, right inside the standard WordPress bulk actions flow you already use. No new screen to learn. For titles, it generates 5 options per page with the reasoning, so you pick the one that fits your voice because a title is a brand decision. Meta descriptions write straight into whatever SEO plugin you run, Yoast, Rank Math, or AIOCO. You stay in control of the words, it handles the volume. Every page you fix gets a cleaner preview, and the preview is the gatekeeper for citation. Do it once across your library, and you've upgraded the first thing every engine reads about every page, all at once. That's leverage you can't get editing titles by hand. The AI Metadata Generator is part of AEO God Mode Pro, and the plugin starts free. Search AEO God Mode under Add New Plugins, install the free version, and get your structuring crawlers right first. Upgrade when you want AI titles and descriptions at scale. No card to start. Begin at aeogodmode.io.